Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to name layers in Krita. To name or rename a layer, simply double-click the layer's name in the layer's docker. This turns the name into an editable text field. Type your new name, then press enter to confirm it. Krita lets you use letters, numbers, spaces, and symbols in layer names. Alternatively, you can right-click the layer in the layer's docker and choose Properties from the context menu. This opens a new window with the name field so you can type a new name. For multiple layers at once, select them by clicking Shift plus click or Control click, then open the layer properties by pressing the F3 key. Check the name box and type in a base name. Krita will apply names sequentially to the selected layers. And that's how you name or rename layers in Krita. Thanks for watching.